Hello everyone, welcome back to how to build your online personal training website. So in this video we're going to go over one main thing, which is how to change text and images on the main pages of the website. So we'll just go through the website and show you what text is able to be changed. And it's very simple, there's no coding required. It's all done through what are called WYSIWYG editors, which is short for what you see is what you get. So that'll be, changing this to heading would be just a wee drop down, and then making this a paragraph. So all very simple. It's all the styling has been set up for you. You just need to change what the text says. So anyway, we'll go through. All this can be changed. All this. And also in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your Facebook and Instagram and actually YouTube and etc. to the site. Okay. All right, let's do it. So there's two ways to edit pages, or two ways to get into the admin area to edit the pages. So make sure you're logged in. So I'll went over that in the second video, just after how to completely host the website. Show you how to log in. The website comes with a text document with your login details. So once you're logged in, you'll get this black bar at the top, and that's the admin bar. So anytime you're on a page and you want to edit that exact page, all you need to do is head over to edit page, and if you click on that, that'll bring you directly to the page that you want to edit. Okay, and I'll flick back and forth here, just so you can see where everything is. But it'll also show you another way to get to a page that you want to edit. So on the left hand side in the admin area, all you need to do is click on all pages. And once that loads, it'll give you a list of all the pages that are live in your website. And then all you need to do is click edit. Just hover over it, click edit. But what we want to do now is click edit on the home page. Okay, once that loads, you'll kind of see now the layout of the website and how that kind of transcribes to the front end of the website. So you'll see here there's an image. You'll see on the left hand side there's the personal training with a button on the bottom saying get started. Now that button directs to the shop, where you'll obviously create your own products and all the rest of it. So it's a good way to get customers exactly where you want to get them. Right, okay, so we'll just go back and forth. So you can kind of see here, online personal training, and you'll be doing that throughout the website. When you want to edit something, you'll usually look for, cues in that. This being online personal training, so that's obviously online personal training here. So, maybe you just want to say personal training. And this is what I mean by a WYSIWYG editor. It gives you these options at the top. So you can kind of see there, if I highlight this, I can change this to a smaller heading, or we can just leave that as heading 1, which is the biggest heading. Here, you can kind of see that this is just a paragraph. If you hover over it, you can make it bold, you can make it italic. The standard things, just like word processing, that's all this is. I would say leaving things to just a heading or a paragraph is the best way to make a website look professional. The last thing you want to do is be making things look completely different page to page. Everything needs to be relatively the same, so it all looks like the same website as people go through it. So once you've edited this area, all you need to do is click Save Changes. Simple as that. So maybe you want to change this second image down here. Let's go back and change it. So if we click here, we can see the image. You can kind of see a small thumbnail of he's in a green suit. Click the pencil, which is for editing. Click the wee X button, see where this image has been uploaded. So all these settings have been set for you. all you need to do is click X on that wee man. That deletes, well, it doesn't delete the image. It unattaches that image from this block. So we go add image, and maybe we want to choose a different image from the website. So maybe it's this one here. So we just go set image. Now, after I finish with this page, I'll show you actually how to make these yourself. It's very simple. It's free from a website, and I'll link that in the description. Any kind of links or any kind of something I'm showing you is somewhere else, I'll always link it in the description. Okay, so all these have been set for us. So all we need to do now is save changes, and you can kind of see this thumbnail will update. It's very small, but it will update. So once we've saved that on the page, all we need to do now is click update on the right hand side. Now before you hit update, nothing will change. So say you think you've made a mistake and you just want to start all over again, you can refresh this page just by clicking the refresh button at the top right hand side here, or hitting back, and that will put everything back to what it was before you started making those changes from when you last kind of updated. So but we were happy with those changes, and we're going to hit update. Once that updates, we'll go back to the front end of the website and see what that looks like. We can just go here where it says page updated, and then we can view that page. So there it is. So we've updated this title to just say personal training instead of online personal training. And we also updated this image to be something slightly different. And that's the same for the whole entire website. If you want to edit something on another page, so say it's transformations. There's a small piece of text at the top of transformations. Maybe we want to update this. You go to the transformations page. Don't know why I clicked on that again. We're already there. Click edit page at the top. And there it is. So you just hit the wee, I keep on forgetting what it is. The pencil. Leave this grid area, because that's the grid area that I've set up for you. So all you need to do to add a transformation is go into the add transformation. But again, another video, we're going to go through exactly how to add transformations. Okay, so member transformations. Maybe you just want to say transformations, whatever it is that you want to do, you edit and make it your own. Click update. Now that's updated, we can kind of view that page. There it is. So it's no longer member transformations, it's now transformations. Okay, let's go and make some of those nice illustrations that do look quite professional on the website. So I've actually got a link here. So if I go right, okay. So like I said earlier, this is going to be linked in the description. So if you want to, this is stories by Free Pick. So if you want to make great illustrations, there are all types in here, and they're all free, which is obviously great. You can search in here, so say, maybe you want to say gym, and then it'll give you a few different images. You can kind of see a few on the website at the minute. But say we want to use this gym image. You'll see at the top right hand side it says change color, and a wee bit like our website, you're able to change the color by using the color picker, or see here where it says hex. A hex code is basically some numbers and letters that make up a color. So we'll go back to our website. We'll go to theme options, and we're actually going to copy one of the primary colors, or you can make up a color exactly whatever you want. So this is our primary. Sorry, if your primary color is a gradient, so you'll see at the start where it says linear gradient, I wouldn't use that one for this illustrations, I would use the link color just here. So if we go back to Pilates, or the Stories free pick website, at the top right hand side we're going to go click on the hex. I'm going to delete it, and we're going to paste in exactly what our link color is. So once that's done, we can just click off that. We can actually change a few different things depending on what the picture's like or what the illustration can allow. Sometimes these are grayed out, but if we can add a detailed, or we can add a simple one, I quite like the simple ones. And also you can see at the bottom here there's different styles for this image. So we're going to click on this one and click download PNG. So there we go. So it's downloaded here. So you can attribute free pick on your website saying thank you very much for using the illustrations. Okay, so we're going to go back to the main area of the website and think, right, where do we want to place this? So say we want to update this picture down the right hand side. It's also a good idea to remember what color background the image is going on to, because say if I put it onto here, it'll blend into that color very probably too much in the background. So you maybe use a different color if you're using depending on the background. So let's update this picture on the right hand side. So we'll click edit page. Same as before, we'll go ahead down here, click an image. Click X on that image and then add image. So what we're going to do is actually just drag and drop that image on Google Chrome. You can see it, all the downloads come to the bottom left hand side of the window. You can actually just drag it from here onto here, and then that would update or upload that image. So we'll let that process. You can kind of see there now the thumbnail has been added. All we need to do now is click on set image. Wait for that to load. Save changes. Wait until that icon updates. Yep, all good. And hit update. Once that page updates, we'll click on the view page link, and we'll see if that image is updated automatically or successfully. There it is. So there's the updated image on the page. You can obviously add whatever image you want to this area. You can add whatever text you want to this area. It is completely your own. Maybe you have good photos of yourself. You can just upload those photos to here. Instead of clicking this or uploading this illustration, you can add your own. But anyway, hopefully this video has been helpful, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye.